My, what a stunning.
Oh, didn't see there. Checking out my shirt?
Yes.
Freaking available. Fasterproms.net. Woo!
Can we get a jingle? You wanna go fast? Call Fasterproms. Jeremy's your tutor. I'll make you go fast.
Boom.
Perfect. All right, guys, it has been about a year since we've taken the Porcopotamus out from drag racing. Now, that was a costly venture last time. If you guys recall, we had broken the drive shaft and then also broke the transmission immediately thereafter. So, and we're about 1,100 miles from home. All right, so Laz, you're gonna heave this thing. That's a workers' compensation file, right, ready to happen right there. Yeah. See how much this thing weighs. We'll roll her over here. It's been a while. I know that we saved some weight off of that guy, but ugh. Holy crap, dude! Hold on, get your hand off there. All right, 91 pounds is what that shows. Good God.
That is a favor and a pound.
91 pounds. All right, so in the tires that we're going to put on there, these are some F14s that we got.
Favor and 2 pounds.
I think the only time that we used them was driving to and from Mason-Dixon up in Maryland. All right, 54 pounds. That's a pretty substantial weight savings right there. And Cooper in your 4-door wagon here. All right, so Cooper alleges that he has not done anything. I would like to believe that you're being truthful.
I did coilovers. You know that. You saw it.
Yeah.
You never tuned it. You never, I never bought a pulley from you guys. I know that.
Well, you do have, okay,
exactly.
So you went, what, 11.2 on street tires?
Yeah, something like that.
At like 125? 120?
It wasn't that fast, no. Like low 120s.
Okay. And last time we raced, it was, you put probably about 2 cars on me in the 8th mile, I believe is what it was, right?
Yeah, 2+.
Okay. Fair enough, okay.
I mean, like, full-size sedans on you. I don't want to say cars.
All right, so yeah, and I mean that was a good race. We both were struggling for traction, but clearly you had more peak power, so it was.
Yeah, and 8th mile is so tough because you're gonna have traction now.
Yeah, hopefully don't spit out a drive shaft or.
Yeah, I'm terrified to be next to you. Do you have a loop in this thing?
No.
I'd request one. I know you will not listen to my request. Take that off the rear.
No.
Back.
See, that's RF. That's rear front right there.
Rear front. I was wondering what all that meant.
It's been rotated.
It's been rotated.
Yeah, but alright. Carry on.
Alright, so part of me will confess, I really want to take the seats out and open up the cutout and all that other business too, but we're just gonna run the way that we got it right here, so I just don't want to lose to Cooper.
Not opening the cutout.
Yeah, it is deafening. Now, guys, if you've watched any of our Porcopotamus videos before, this is kind of what happens when we run back to back. We melt the bumper and trim pieces and all that junk.
You're gonna load a whole different tune into this thing, aren't you?
Well, I have to load a different tune. Not that it's like a race gas tune or anything like that. I mean, it's just something for the tire size.
I don't know. All I see is you plug into that OBD2 and the rest of it is like your fingers doing the work, and for all I know, you could be adding 10 degrees of time into this thing.
It's such a big fat pig that it just doesn't take much timing anyway. So I mean, it's just don't worry about it.
Leaning it out. I don't know.
No. I'm literally just making a tire change. That's all. All right. So the fronts are 48 pounds. All right. So that's also about a 43-ish pound weight difference.
So the only thing that changed is the race and now the tires.
Yeah. Pulley and tires. All right, so clearly there is a difference in the tire height right there. All right, so that's the reason we're going to have to do a calibration change, because that's going to throw off the shift points pretty significantly. But really, there's nothing else that's getting changed. All right, now, I want you guys to understand something here. We're supposed to be going out of town and driving this thing 600 or 700 miles. So there is an element of risk right here. All right, so this is our custom drive shaft of, I guess she's supposed to take the power, but this is a big, heavy girl, and I don't think they're really going to get the prep or the launch that we had when we did break the drive shaft, but we're just trying to get some small advantage because she's a big, heavy girl. Hold on. Let's just see what's under the hood there.
It's an LSA.
Yeah, but let's just take a look.
Let's see how warm it was, because I just drove it in.
Oh, here, pop the hood real quick.
I don't have the keys.
Oh, how are you going to drive it?
Jeremy,
come on, Cooper.
You think I haven't been around grudge racing?
Come on, what's the problem? Show the people. Show the people.
I'm popping the hood for you.
Come on.
You want to hear it? It's stock.
Sure. It's not stock. I mean, it's got...
Coil coilovers.
Yeah, I know, but look, guys, we can do bolt-ons with these and make them go 1060s.
It didn't go 1060.
I understand that. I understand
Look at this. This is an all-season Michelin.
that. Yeah.
That's what they came with.
Oh,
Those
Cooper.
are the same ones. It doesn't even have enough miles to have enough
Woo!
tires. Get out of here, Jeremy.
Well, here she is.
Yeah.
Cooper's got something that he's hiding here, and I don't know what he's got going on here.
I just wanted to see how hot the blower was. I was gonna leave the hood open to cool it, but I don't really trust you.
I was just wondering if, you have something to cool it down with, like notably, a little bottle.
Nope.
All right,
Hate nitrous. Absolutely hate it.
I'll take your word for it, Coop.
I wouldn't use meth. I don't use nitrous. Boost only.
All right, so this is a super fast crash diet here for the Porcupotamus. Now I know that those wheels and tires aren't the best looking by any means on this big girl, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do here. If you guys have not seen the Porcupotamus before, this is an LT4 blower with heads and cam on a 6.2 liter LT1 based engine. Now we do have forged pistons in this thing, and we do have some cooling modifications. It's got AFE cold air intake. Don't mind the duct tape there. As a tuner, it's kind of like the shoemaker's children go shoeless. It's this gets the last of our attention, and my wife literally daily drives this thing every day. The best power I think we made was about 675 or so, and it makes really pretty darn good torque. Now, it does weigh somewhere in the neighborhood of about 5,400 pounds though. All right, guys, so we're gonna load up our tune from HB Tuners here. You use our MPVI2. Plug this guy right in. All right, so pretty quickly and pretty simply, we just load up the tune that we had in there for the trans control module with all the shift points and such. That's gonna go right in. We'll be ready to run probably about 35 seconds.
I am wearing some wrench in your wheel back here. Yeah, ready to find 21.
I don't remember. All right, so I had a little talk with Cooper off camera. You guys are getting way too competitive, and this is a friendly race. And you just about backed into him. See that? Yep. This is not that serious. But don't lose.
All right, so guys, we're going to Showtime Speedway. This is about 2 blocks from the shop. They are so awesome for opening their doors so that we can screw around here and just have some fun. So on Wednesday night, they have 8th Mile drag racing. A lot of times they have some big events on Saturday nights, and Friday nights they have some drifting. Seen some pretty cool stuff here, and definitely we got some things coming up very soon where we're going to be running here on Wednesday night. So hopefully I look forward to seeing you guys sometime soon. Dang, Cooper. All right, I'll give you that.
That's hot.
It is warm. He's not lying.
Hey.
Feel it.
All right.
It's probably as warm as my coolant temp.
All right. Well, it's a good-looking girl you got there.
Thanks.
She is Stance life right there, buddy.
Still got a couple years left on the payments.
All right, so guys, we are going to run basically the second 8th mile. We're running on this concrete right here.
Prep.
That'll be our launch. So this is a no prep 4-door challenge, caddy versus caddy.
Stock daily driver.
You're reaching, buddy. You're reaching. All right, so
It's 3 people working on that thing to get it ready. All morning.
Hardly.
Never seen such
Oh,
a thing.
man.
I thought it was a freaking top fuel team.
Hey, we made an agreement to be nice here, okay?
I was just pointing out facts to these fine individuals watching this video.
All right. Let's have a clean race, all right?
Ew.
Left hand shake.
I feel like dirty.
Is this weird and awkward for you?
Very awkward.
You're very clammy. Are you nervous?
No.
All right. Okay.
All right, so we'll back up there and we'll do best of 2 or best of 3, and this is for lunch, okay? Since we're all hungry and hangry. All right, so Cooper spun pretty good on that one. All right, we'll give him that one. Yeah. I might just have a little pity one here. So that was definitely a whole shot launch here. All right, so we're gonna alternate lanes here. I'm gonna take the ugly lane here. Laz is getting ready to call it. Dang. Well, I mean, I guess it's safe to say since last time we modded the Porcopotamus, things have picked up a little bit there. Man, I honestly didn't expect that. I mean, the tires definitely helped, but holy moly. Good run. All right, Coop, do you want to do the move? A car and a move. How about that? Or it's up to you. I'll give you this one however you want to do it. How about I just give you the move and we'll see how it goes. All right, so I'm gonna go on your move, all right? Give that one to Cooper for sure right there. Just trying to reel him in. That was basically like Cletus and I with the Galaxy. Had the launch and just trying to reel him in the whole time. Good race, good race, good race. What is the secret that you
I don't have anything. You know exactly what's done to my car. You looked at the tune. There's literally nothing.
Dang, that's hot.
Changed? Oof.
Not a thing has changed.
Hey, well, I'm glad that you pulled this thing off.
I mean, it's definitely not stock. That right there.
I mean, I didn't modify it.
Not stock.
The only thing I did was there's adjustable coilovers under here.
So what was different on the last race? Because I couldn't see from down here.
I left and then he followed.
I gave him the move, and it was well, were we even, or was like it?
I don't know when you left.
No, I think we were even. I think we were even, and then you had the move, and it was just tough to.
I've been fighting with this car. It's a fight for traction every time. Like you saw me the first time I left. Like,
no, for sure. And I mean, I would be willing to, do whatever. And I mean, like last time you were back halving me, and I honestly, I
you picked up a lot on the big end.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't know that it would. Honestly, I honestly wouldn't have expected it to back half better, because last time the way I was pulling on you is the way you were pulling on me. It was completely the reverse. And I mean, I probably would have been, I probably wouldn't have wanted to do the tires stuff, because I just thought that things wouldn't have changed. But interesting turn of events, though. And I mean,
the first two races, I don't even think I went full throttle.
Yeah.
Because like I couldn't. If I did, it would try to. Because once you're going fast and you lose traction in these cars, they want to just like whip the tail around like crazy. So.
Believe it or not, actually, I would think that the coilovers actually might have not been as beneficial for. All right, so you guys just saw what I did with Cooper's, and then, well,
it hurt,
Yeah. Now, I mean, you have a lot of power,
Also,
but again, big handicap with the tire.
Let me add something. They left the shop without James and I. We're still working so that they could team up on Cooper without us, which is not cool.
Clearly not.
I heard
Clearly
Cooper
what
said
they
he
did.
puppy kicked him.
Puppy kicked them? I wouldn't puppy kick
You
them.
gotta be nice to Cooper. So,
All right. All right. So, in order to in the interest of being fair, all right. So we give and take. It's a thing. So
give and take relationship.
So what I will do is I will give you 3 cars. That's a big gap, man. That's a big gap. I mean, we're doing this like pink style.
And a hit.
It just hurts to get that.
Yeah. Especially if I lose, I'm gonna be like,
I'd rather lose and not take
everyone's gonna unsub
the cars in the gap.
3 cars and the move. Like, that is a huge. I mean, it's
gonna be huge, Tampa.
Huge. I can't say huge.
All right, that's fair to me. I got a little tire. I got a lot of power.
And a stick shift.
All right, but we have a flagger. Okay. All right.
Well, the flagger will let you know when he's ready, and then once the flagger puts its hands down, whenever that guy who's getting the hit decides to leave, he can leave.
All right.
You have 2 more
Yeah,
gears.
because we don't need a flagger because I'm on the move.
No, that's true. That's true. Okay, sorry. Yeah, you're right.
I'll see you down there.
All right, let's do it.
We're filming here live with Jeremy from from Fasterproms YouTube channel.
This is a big gap here.
That is a big gap. Are you gonna do a sick nasty burnout or what?
No.
Steal. All right, there's the Crown Victoria, about 3 cars ahead of you.
That's a generous gap.
I think he still got it. Is he gonna launch hard? Do I need a Hans? Yeah, that was.
Good race. The jump is the toughie, man.
Yeah.
It really was with you too. It was just really tough. That was a good.
Because you're behind from the start, so you're just. No matter if he has the cars on you or a jump, it's always behind,
Oh,
Man,
I think if we would have had another 150 feet, maybe that would have.
you're pretty neck and neck through the traps. He hit the rev limiter there.
Yeah, it was. We were narrowing that pretty good.
Yeah, you were definitely gaining on him. Freight training.
That's good. Hey, this time let's make sure it's 3 cars.
Oh, we're running hot. We can't do it again. Yeah, we're on 8.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, hey, let's measure now. That was good though. How was your launch?
I bet you he didn't check his tire pressure. Boogity, boogity, boogity. Let's go, Jeremy. He's toying with you. Dang!
That was definitely battle of traction there.
Yeah. He's got really bad traction.
Yeah.
Yours isn't so bad.
That was the baby feed right there.
Yeah. But for an unprepped surface.
It was.
That thing right now.
Should probably just leave it on these wheels and tires. It's more fun. Why don't you do that?
We have a sticking problem.
Alright, well, it's been a great day for the old Escalade here. Now to go drive it 8 hours tomorrow. She ready?
All right, dude, good race. You definitely have a way faster vehicle.
Well,
With all that room you gave me, you blew our doors off.
best friend. Oh, sorry.
Whoa!
What's going on here, guys?
It's
Cadillac life.
Well, no, last time that Cooper and I raced, it was a different story. So I didn't think that this thing picked up the top end that it did, but hey, you know,
Hey.
good job. That was definitely a driver's. That's a handful right there for sure, buddy.
Dude, you just have a flat out faster vehicle though as well. I don't think there's much I could do, but it was a blast. So we were talking about maybe doing Galaxy versus this, C7 versus this, or just a bunch of
Duramax
stuff.
rematches.
Yep.
Sometime soon we'll have the truck up and running, but I don't know what we're gonna do with that. I don't really have anything for your big stuff. So.
Well, that's
You're
10.
way too fast.
That's 10 one day.
I mean, I might be able to run Ruby on a track like this.
That actually would be totally cool.
That'd be a good
Oh yeah, all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Ooh.
A no prep thing with that versus Ruby, I would
That
be
would
down
be a
for.
cool race too.
What's that?
Old 4th gen catfish over
I
there
said
against
that
the
to him.
C4.
Okay, not
Against
versus
the
this,
S10.
but okay, you're talking about versus the S10.
Just
or-
Cooper's got his Camaro. He could race the S10.
Actually, yeah, we could do that. We could do that.
Well, the Camaro against this out here would be
Gotcha.
cool.
You know that's
But
fine.
at the track, you could do the C4 against the Camaro.
Well, hell yeah, we got lots of different races, and looking forward to it. So, anyhow, thanks for joining us, guys. We'll see you next time. God bless you.
So, bog deep.
Come here, boy. Come here. Chop. Baby girl. Jericho, what is with your catching?